Dear viewers, Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In view of the prevalent COVID conditions, you are requested to adhere to the COVID-appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, power generation of the top recovery turbine of Blast Furnace 5 of SAIL RSP augmented. And Ispat Vidya Mandir of SAIL RSP registers cent percent pass percentage in plus 2 Science and Commerce CHSE Orissa. Now the news in detail. The augmented power generation of top recovery turbine of Blast Furnace 5 of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant was inaugurated by Mr. Deepak Chattaraj and the then CEO on 30th July. Present on the occasion were Mr. Pankaj Kumar ED Works and Mr. S.R. Suryavanshi ED Operations, Mr. A.S. Kartha CGM Power, other senior officers and employees of the plant. As part of the augmentation efforts, improvement in reliability of the motor control center, modification in software logic in the instrumentation governor panels and associated programmable logic controllers were successfully undertaken using in-house resources. Further, the power transformer was upgraded from 20 MVA 34.5 kV by 11 kV to 25 MVA 34.5 kV by 11 kV and necessary system modifications with the collaboration of CPP1, Power Distribution, Instrumentation and Automation departments. After this augmentation, the power generation in top recovery turbo generator, a system of Blast Furnace 5, will increase considerably up to 20 MW, effectively utilizing the pressure and flow of blast furnace gas through the top recovery turbine. This will enhance the reliability and stability of power system and boost the power generation significantly, leading to huge savings, cost efficiency and better specific energy parameters of Rourkela Steel Plant. The Science and Commerce students of Ispat Vidya Mandir of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant have excelled in the Plus 2 examination conducted by the Council of Higher Secondary Education, Orissa. The pass percentage of the school in both Science and Commerce stream has been 100% as against the state's average percentage of 95.15% and 94.96% in both the streams respectively. In all, 121 students of science stream appeared the examination, out of which 104 students secured first division, 13 have got second division and 4 of them have passed in third division. Smruti Ranjan Jaina, son of Mr. Mahindra Kumar Jaina, topped the school with 95.67%. Ankita Sunani, daughter of Mr. Arjun Sunani, came second with 95.33% and Pratish Kumar Dash, son of Mr. Manas Kumar Dash, was in the third position with 94.33%. In the same manner, 63 students appeared the examination in the commerce stream, of which 46 students passed with first division, 15 students got second division and 2 of them cleared the exam with third division. Reena Rani Malik, daughter of Mr. Navakishore Malik, was the topper of the school with 80.50%. Abdul Hashib Khan, son of Abdul Aziz Khan, came second with 79.33% and Nazmum Parveen, daughter of S.K. Masoom Ali, with 78.67% was the third rank holder of the school. That's all for today's news. Namaskar.